Welcome to this Communicity tutorial. Today, we'll explore Communilab, a powerful digital collaboration space that helps cities, tech providers, researchers, and communities connect, share ideas, and co-create solutions. The platform is divided into three main sections: the capacity building space, for learning and skill development; the knowledge repository, a hub of essential tools and resources; the collaboration and engagement space, where ideas and experiences are shared. Each section includes several subsections. You can access any of them at any time using the banner at the top, clicking on the one that interests you the most. Let's start with the capacity building space, your go-to area for knowledge and guidance. The FAQ section is the perfect first stop if you're about to start a pilot project but aren't sure where to begin, as it answers key questions about co-creation, inclusivity, and project execution. Next, explore the webinars section, where recordings of past events offer valuable insights from those who have already tackled similar challenges. Following that, we have the multimedia section brining the Communicity experience to life through videos, testimonials, and case studies. Last but not least, the tips and tricks area delivers quick, practical advice to support your journey. Now that we've covered how to build your skills, let's move on to the tools you'll need for piloting. Next stop, the knowledge repository. Start with the Communicity journey, which guides through the project's key milestones, from identifying challenges to implementing solutions. Next, check out the catalog of tools, listing pilot projects launched through Communicity. Move to the manuals section, which includes guides on open calls and agile piloting. This leads us to the methodologies, tools, and toolkits to empower communities and foster collaboration. Finally, visit the resources, where you can find public deliverables, scientific papers, and other relevant materials. With the right tools in place, it's time to connect with others. Let's look at the collaboration and engagement space. By clicking on the News and Events section, you'll stay up to date with every event happening in Communicity. Check the engagement space if you want to share experiences, exchange ideas, and seek advice from peers working on similar challenges. Don't miss out the Partner Match, the matchmaking platform that enables cities to connect with technology providers and other stakeholders to jointly address community challenges. Wrapping up with the suggestion box, helping Communilab continuously evolve to meet the needs of its community. Remember, every contribution helps improve the platform. Great ideas deserve the right space to grow. Start your journey with Communilab and be part of building smarter, more inclusive communities together.